Reopened services include the following. Retail services that may be provided through pickup, delivery by mail or delivery to the customer's doorstep. Starting at 12:01 a.m. on Friday, May 1, 2020. 1. In-store retail services, for retail establishments that operate at up to 25% of the total listed occupancy of the retail establishment. 2. Dine-in restaurant services, for restaurants that operate at up to 25% of the total listed occupancy of the restaurant, provided, however, that this applies only to restaurants that have less than 51% of their gross receipts from the sale of alcoholic beverages and are therefore not required to post the 51% sign required by Texas law as determined by the Texas Alcoholic Beverage Commission, and valet services are prohibited except for vehicles with placards or plates for disabled parking. 3. Movie theaters that operate at up to 25% of the total listed occupancy of any individual theater for any screening. 4. Shopping malls that operate at up to 25% of the total listed occupancy of the shopping mall, provided, however, that within shopping malls, the food court dining areas, play areas, and interactive displays and settings must remain closed. 5. Museums and libraries that operate at up to 25% of the total listed occupancy, provided, however, that local public museums and local public libraries may so operate only if permitted by the local government, and any components of museums or libraries that have interactive functions or exhibits, including child play areas, must remain closed. 6. For Texas counties that have filed with DSHS, and are in compliance with, the requisite attestation form promulgated by DSHS regarding 5 or fewer cases of COVID-19, those in-store retail services, dine-in restaurant services, movie theaters, shopping malls, museums and libraries, as otherwise defined and limited above, may operate at up to 50% as opposed to 25% of the total listed occupancy. 7. Services provided by an individual working alone in an office. 8. Golf course operations. 9. Local government operations, including county and municipal governmental operations relating to permitting, recordation and document filing services, as determined by the local government. 10. Such additional services as may be enumerated by future executive orders or proclamations by the governor. Stay safe, stay strong and love Texas.